Alright guys, we got 2016 X5 today, alright? But before I get started, do me a favor, just hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on all your notifications, please. Alright, so 2016 X5, customer wanted some noise, and he only really had one option, was to delete the muffler, because he does not have a resonator in the system. All he has is a catalytic converter up there off of his downpipe, and then he had a big muffler in the back. So all we could do for him was cut out his muffler, which exactly what we did. Put a custom white pipe, and then remade the tails to connect to his stock tips. We even kept the stock valve for him. So we're gonna go ahead and bring it down and see how she sounds.